Creative Crambo, back with another one.
I'm going to show you the easiest way how to put up a roller blind. This is the window I'm going to be covering. The sun absolutely beams through there. It's quite bright, as you can see, and especially when the sun's low in the sky as well, just coming through. This is the roller blind I'm going to be using. It's measured at the right width as well. And it comes with these fixing brackets you can use. These ones here are for hooking over a window. But I'm going to be using these brackets here, and they're going to fix directly into the frame. Like I said, I'm going to be fixing it right there on the face of that frame. 3 brackets and the blind will come down there. What I'd like to point out as well is always read the warning when it comes with the cord. It's quite important that. And what you need to do is get this bracket away from danger, and this cord, this chain, away from danger. I'm going to put mine on the left hand side, out of danger, at a good height up there somewhere. Now also this chain can be pulled up and down from either side. So if you want it on the left, it comes on the left. You can take this off and change it to the right, so all depending on where you want your chain to come. I want to keep it away from the door, and I'll be putting it over that side. So looking there as it is, that's exactly where the chain for me needs to be. Yeah, so with the brackets, all I'll be doing is measuring the blind where it's going to be coming down. I'll pre-drill these holes out, and I'll be using self-tapping screws to go directly into the frame. So quite an easy process, quite an easy job that. I'll be using a nice little drill bit like that as well for the pre-drill. And for the screws, I've got these nice little self-tapping little grub screws, and they're perfect for going into that frame. So yeah, let's get the brackets on. Let's get the blind up. We'll have a look at that. Then obviously we've got to do the chain bracket, which goes on the side there. Okay, so I've marked off where I'm going to be putting these brackets. We've got one in the middle, one at the end, and one at that end. So all I'll do is put that up there. That's the one in the centre. Mark that off there. Same the other side. And same on that one too. Then all I've got to do is pre-drill those out, screw the brackets on. That's a good job done. Okay, now we're ready for pre-drilling. Just going to get in the centre of that mark. Do that on each of them. That's just going to start the screw off. Lovely. Fix them brackets up, and then the roller blind just clips in to them brackets. Okay, now you've got your blind up. All you've got to do is put this weight on the bottom. It just goes on there. Then you've got these plastic stop ends. They're going to go in the end of there. One on that side. And then one on this side. Nice and easy. That just stops the weight from coming off. Next thing you want to do, that's your safety bracket. And all you need to do is pull that chain down so it's not too tight. That just holds the chain in place with that safety bracket. Something like that. Make sure that's not twisted up. That's better. And what I'll do, I'll just pre-drill this. That's where it needs to be. Like that. I have my screw ready. I'll put that in there. We'll drill that in. Then that should be fixed then. Okay. Quite important to put that safety bracket on. Keeps it out of danger. You don't want nothing loose. And that's it, the blind's up. It's looking good. I like it. Like I say, it's a night and day one, and that's all nice. Yeah, pretty good job. Yeah, so the roller blind was nice and easy to install. Nice and quick. No problems there. Looking really good. I've fixed into the side of that plastic trim there, and all I used was some self-tapping screws for that. They do a great job. Same at the top, went into that plastic trim up there with the self-tapping screws. And that's it, nice, easy and quick job done. It looks pretty good, I think. I like it.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, turn on notifications,